Thank you.
I saw your screening in Seattle of all places. I live out there. Maybe a year ago. Yeah, it was awesome.
Oh, that's fine. Was it the little theater up on the hill?
It was, yeah.
You remembered the little theater up on the hill in Seattle, huh?
Yeah, he did, I think, 3 different screenings there. He was there for a little bit.
Yeah. Very surprised. It was 800. They showed 800 movies at that.
Oh, the film festival. Yeah, it's a good film festival.
What are you doing?
Just a scribble.
You're not going to bet on you.